Okay, our hotel is literally an apartment. We could live here. The bathroom. But you guys, we have a walk-in closet. What is this? What? In a hotel.
Wait, you're getting this up.
Not only do we have one,
His and hers.
we have his and hers. AJ gets a walk-in closet also. All this room for activity. Toast. Toast even has his own little bed couch over here. We have a desk in case you want to do a little desk work. Cute little kitchen. We could stay here. We're only staying here for the night. But we could stay here for like ever. So this is the best part. They got all the snacks in here. You get your coffee. They got oatmeal. Get some water. Some cookies. Your beverages. Your bevies. I already grabbed one of those. This is a must after driving all day. Here we go. Okay. Hi guys. If you remember our last vlog, we were going to a new RV park. We are not at an RV park. We're leaving our hotel. And we are going to Washington, D.C. AJ got added to a last minute course, so we changed our plans a little bit.
Give me something I can hold. I don't mind if it never showed. 'Cause you know I love you right back. Yes, I love you like that. Yes, I love you like that.
Toast, it's your first time in Washington, D.C.
I just wanna feel your energy. Baby, when you're coming close to me, it's just
We found some grass in the city. Got a
looking for a lifeline. Some way to get to cloud nine. I don't care if it's
So AJ's setting up, so I'm taking Toast for a little pee break, for a little walk, and it's cool. All the statues and the buildings out here are really cool. It's really busy. All right, you ready to go? Should we go explore, Toast? Come on.
some way to get to cloud
Okay, we can go. We can go.
some way to get to cloud. Misty haze, falling sky, give me something I can hold. I don't mind if it never
We're stopping at every tree.
love you right back. Yes, I love you like that. Yes, I love you like.
You ready to go inside?
I don't wanna
You're too tired. Hi guys. So just did my hair. This is like my favorite hair tool of all time. Literally, I think it's like 30 bucks at Target. Makes me so happy because literally that's all I did to my hair was just round brush it, blow dry it. And then usually I will kind of go in with like maybe if I wanted to be wavy, a curling iron or bump it with my straight iron. But like today I wasn't really feeling like getting ready. Didn't feel like doing my hair, taking a shower or doing any of it. So those are the days that you really need to do it too, because I do feel better. Then I took a shower, at least blow dried my hair. Today's a laundry day, so I'm gonna do some laundry. We leave tomorrow, and then I'm probably just gonna chill with Toast and watch some Netflix or something, because I feel like I just need a chill day after walking around yesterday and driving. It was a 2-day drive to get here, so it's the plan. But at least I'm clean, and at least I have fresh hair, so I feel good.
just hold takes the ride. 'Cause we are living.
Okay, so we had to retire Big Bertha. Is my pink baby. I love her, and I got a hard case suitcase, which I've never had before, and I'm obsessed. Well, we did always have Smurfette over there, our blue hard case for like our toiletry stuff and like extra stuff that me and AJ just both put in that little suitcase. But I've never had like for all my clothes, and it doesn't look like she's gonna shut very well. I gotta do laundry though, so that's what I'm doing right now. But she actually holds a lot, and she's smaller than Big Bertha, which is easier on, well, let's be real, AJ takes my luggage for me everywhere I go. He loads everything into the car, let's be real. Luckily, because I don't think I could do it. But yeah, I am loving the new suitcase. I got it off Amazon, so maybe I'll find it and I'll link it on my Amazon store if anybody's interested and needs new luggage. But like so far, like I love having a hard case suitcase versus the soft suitcase. So Big Bertha, may she rest in peace. I think I had her for like 5 years. She was, you know, had wires popping out and barely hanging in there as much as we travel. But she was a good girl, so we'll miss her. But Galinda's the new baby, so I love her. So actually I need to go run down, get the laundry detergent, and I think this hotel uses quarters. I'm not sure. Sometimes they use quarters, sometimes they use like you can just scan your debit card, which I love because that's so much easier. But either way, I have some quarters, I believe, somewhere. So just gotta find them. This laundry. Okay, this is a pretty good laundry room. We got 3 dryers. It looks like it takes quarters, so I need to go find quarters. But if you need laundry supplies, they have them at the front desk. We have laundry supply stuff, so because we do laundry all the time on the road. I'm actually excited because I was able. I forgot to put the soap in. Hold on, be right back. Where did I put this? Oh, I put the soap in here. Okay. Okay, we got the soap in there, but the water's already flowing. Okay. All right. It's okay. It's all good. Anyway, what I was saying is I'm so excited I was able to get both me and AJ's laundry in one washer, like one load. That never happens. But we actually did laundry earlier this week, so it makes sense. But okay, so I need to set a timer, 25 minutes. And yeah, I love it when a hotel has laundry in it. Make sure we didn't leave anything in there. Okay. We're going high. Here we go. All right, 45 minutes. Set the timer. You guys, I just keep my quarters in tote bags. It works. All right, they're still wet. I gotta turn it on again. Should I move it to another dryer? I don't know. I guess it kind of works. They're just kind of damp. All right. Take 2. Literally, they're still wet. Do I have enough quarters for one more time? I think I do. How much is it? $2. Oh yeah, we're good. We're good. Okay, round 3. I only have 75 cents left. So no, they're pretty much almost dry. They're still a little bit damp. So round 3, I'm just gonna do it. It's gonna be fun. We're out of breath on toast. We're out of breath. We just did. Have you heard of Japanese walking, where it's like you walk as fast as you can for like a minute or 2 minutes, and then you like walk a normal pace, and then again you like walk as fast as you can. So I love doing it with him, just like around the parking lot, just so he can get some energy out, but also it's like gives me a workout because you can tell like I'm out of breath. Anyways, me and Toasty are gonna turn on some Netflix, and I'm gonna end the vlog here. So I still need to go grab laundry. I'm sure 3rd time is a charm. It will be dry. It was almost dry the last time I checked, so I'm sure it'll be fine. Anyways, he's drinking water. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for hanging out with us. Bye.